Ever hear a bump in the night and your heart just stops? Or a weird, unexplainable noise that sends a shiver down your spine? You're not alone. And there's a fascinating reason why your body reacts so intensely. It all comes down to a tiny, almond-shaped part of your brain called the amygdala. This is your brain's alarm system. When you hear a sound you can't immediately identify, your amygdala goes on high alert. It doesn't care about logic at first. Its only job is to ask one crucial question. Is this a threat? That's why you feel that jolt of panic or fear before you even have a chance to think. Your brain prioritizes survival over everything else. It wants you to be ready to fight or run away, just in case. The explanation can come later, once you're safe. So next time a strange sound startles you, remember it's just your ancient survival instincts kicking in. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more cool facts.